quick. Once we get the trophy, you can stand right here. Just be patient. You gotta be patient all day. It's almost over. So you grab your trophy, have to stand up here. After that, we're gonna let everybody leave. Your vehicle will get a photo shoot specific to winning, and we'll announce it. And then as far as best in show goes, this shirt I have on right now, along with staff, this vehicle actually won best in show last year. So whoever wins best in show this year, we'll put you guys on the shirt next year. All right? So good luck to all y'all. Everybody, don't get your feelings hurt. It's part of the game. Not everybody's going to win. You know what I'm saying? There's no way I could have had 300 whatever trophies. We don't do participation trophies. We judge our cars based off a checklist, and we go off there. So just, y'all bear with me. Let's go ahead and get these trophies passed out, and let's get you guys out of here, all right? So, that being said, we're going to start with the truck category. Best truck. First best truck is going to go to, it's not first place. It's going to be red, first gen Bronco, sitting right over here in the corner. So the order that Bronco come up here, and take the deck of your trophy. Beautiful piece. Well represented. This is the winner. All right, give everyone a applause again, guys. So, pictures of her with the trophy, and then the vehicle after the show. I'll just set it down here. Next truck is the gray early 70s Chevy step side that was located over here in the overflow lot. Where you at? Where you at? There you go. Go on. Please, congratulations. Stand right here. And the final truck that we have in the category is the black square body, full drive, next to the truck with the flames over here in front of the restaurant. Yeah. There you go. All right, we're going to go on to best paint. Now, we got one here. It's always the toughest. It was going to be best truck. We decided to do best paint. And we're looking at quality of not only the paint, but the sand job, buff job, all that. Kind of looking into the paint versus looking at the reflection. So that being said, we're going to give this trophy to the truck that's next to that black truck. It's the early Chevy C10 with the flames. Where you at? Y'all saw that paint job. Y'all agree with that? I mean, that's, yeah. It wouldn't matter if you did, but I'm just. Good deal. Zane, go ahead and grab the. Now, we have a best motorcycle category. Those motorcycles are kind of like either way. We appreciate you guys for coming out. It's a beautiful day to ride. And with, this to the specific bike. And, it's the Hayabusa. The Hayabusa, you got to appreciate it. A lot of hard work around the shit goes into that. Yeah, go ahead. Appreciate you, bro. All right, what's the next category, guys? So, best engine bay. Best engine bay, a lot of engine bays again. I mean, there's only so many categories and trophies, and I've got more trophies this year. Next year, we expect to have more trophies. As far as the engine bay goes, we're going to give it to that LSX Nova that's sitting right over here, the 68. Super clean. I've seen that one around, man. It's a beautiful ride. Appreciate you taking time to come out. Show it off. Are we knocking all the American stuff out? We're gonna get the JDM and Euro stuff here soon. Best American. So we're gonna go with the black 1933 Ford Coupe with the red pinstripe. Where you at? I know it's a lot of older stuff, but y'all just bear with me. That's something you don't see riding around, you know? I got the Hot Wheel version, but. All right, followed by the 72 AMC Javelin. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, there you go. Now with this, we're looking at the bagged OBS Chevy to take the third Best American trophy. It's the, where you at, Charlie? There you go. Hey, this guy, talk about craftsmanship, which a lot of these people, you know, they put a lot of time and effort, everyone here does. This guy, I know he does everything in his garage from, I mean, the liner to the welding to the paint to the bag installation, everything, man. But yeah, big shout out to that guy. Congratulations on that. What we got here? All right, JDM category, Honest. You want to step in for the JDM category? Yep, come on in. You don't have to talk. You just show me the thing. All right. So for JDM category, we have the 370Z, and I'm just gonna probably shake some up, but it's got an LS motor. But either way, it's the 370Z, the white 370Z. Congrats on that. Yeah. Clean ride. Followed by the 04 Subaru WRX STI, the Rally Spec STI. And then the final one for JDM, we're gonna give it to the black TSX, the bag TSX that was parked over here in front of the marsh. Bronze wheels, bronze wheels. What they say big swerve. All right, and now we need the Euro category. Where's Brandon at? There we go. All right, so best Euro. First best Euro trophy is gonna go to the 997 Porsche bagged on rotiform wheels. The second Euro is gonna go to the Volkswagen Speed Hunters, the yellow one, the Transformer wagon, Volkswagen thing. It's a beast of a car right there, man. And then the third trophy for the best Euro is going to go to the 911 SC. With the hard shell on top. Yep. So we have best wheel category. One of the three trophies is going to go to the wide body Hellcat Challenger. Yeah. Where you at? Huh? Oh, okay. All right. Somebody, oh, there you go. Come on, man. I got kids too, I get it. And then the third trophy is gonna go to really. Interesting.
Man, giving us a bad name.
All right, we're gonna skip one, and we're gonna figure it out. So y'all, sorry about this. Flames on it. Take your time. Please take your time. And I mean that.
Heat stroke.
No. We got some raffles, so I'll do some kill time with the raffles. And if you enter, just stick around. Okay, so we got a So Scared merch bag. If you entered that raffle, we'll go ahead and pass that out. Guys, hang tight, okay? My son's gonna pick the ticket. He's gonna announce the ticket, and then we're gonna give this away. You can pick up the rest of your stuff at the booth. We also have an Easter bag.